sa palengke, una-unahan. Hindi na nagtakbuhan, nagkulatan. Okay. Na-discover nyo na 225. 25 lamang ang supply. There is a shortage. So, mahinang tumakbo sa tabi ko, kasi takang, ha? Oh, para hindi siya mawalan. Ano ang sigaw niya? Ano ang bid niya? Oh. Halimbawa, pareho, uniform size lahat yung bahot at 40 pesos each. O, sabi ni Mr. Sabigo, babayaran kita pag lahat ng ako ng isang 50 pesos.
Pagtiran mo.
Tiran mo akong isa. Now, Mr. Sabigo, bidding for a higher price. Para lang siyang magkaroon. Kaya, dito, kasi very shortage, mismo yung buyer ang utos ng price going back to the equilibrium level. May nagutos ba sa kanya?
Wala.
Pag gusto niya hindi siya mawalan, o
Kinaasan.
bibilin ko, itataas ko ang presyo. Ito ang tinatawag na
market request. Mechanism.
Ito ang mechanism niya. Out of this, there is an automatic.
Ah?
There is an automatic
Adjustment.
Oo. Nakita niyo, walang nagugutos kung tapos nila. If there is a surplus, voluntarily, the seller would put back the price going back to the equilibrium level. On the other hand, if there is shortage, okay, special question for Mr. King. Cost of production.
Amazing.
Mr. Kim, please stand up.
Ba nung natutulog din nang hindi alisin ang antok.
Sasawanero.
What happened?
Yeah, I don't know.
Right.
Cause I want it all.
What happened is cost of production decreases. What will happen in price?
Cause I want it all.
So that,
Against the light eh.
Ako, huwag mo kinukuha na yan. Bakit mo kinukuha?
Ayan, nahihirapan na po si Mr. Kim. Nahihirapan. Mr. Karandang.
one factor which influence supply is because of production. Suppose that because of raw materials, everything input will go down. What is the decision? Are you going to produce more or less? More. So that is supply curve. Kasi, what will happen? Price. If there is a greater supply,
Goes down.
Goes up.
the effect of going down.
Yes.
Kaya na. Now, dito tayo.
Alam ko eh.
More, sir.
Price was 4 minutes. Kaya na. What about this one? In case of elastic, if the price goes down, what will happen to the total revenue? In case of inelastic, pakikita ko sa inyo bakit. Okay, 1,000 kilogram. This week, price drops to 50. Ang naging quantity demanded ay 3,000. So,
1 week.
So that at lower price, so instead of elastic, at lower price, total revenue, so at pabalik naman, basta, suppose that, ito ang last week, ito ang this week.
This week.
Ano mangyayari?